and welcome back on my channel Sheet Metal Workshop, and I'm here at Rinke in Cologne, Germany. And Rinke is a specialized company that makes tools for insulation and also hardware tools for like Makita machines or anything else what you need in the insulation. Now I have here a very interesting device. It's called a stud welding device. Now the good thing and the interesting thing on this stud welding device is it works on batteries, and the good thing is also on my favorite batteries, and these are from Makita. So these Makita batteries, 5 ampere is what we want to use. I mean, you can also use less, but recommended is the 5 ampere. So I'm going to demonstrate it here. So I have here, you can here easily open it, and you see here the battery. It's in, and that's it. So the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on, and the display is very easy. So it's now on 70 ampere, and these are normal plugins like just any other welding machine. Now the next thing what is also interesting is the welding gun. So this is the welding gun. It's very nice and neat and small and light, so we can, you know, go everywhere we want it to put some stud welding points. And the thing is, they're pins. So the pins, it's magnetic here, so I can put on the pins, it grabs directly, so it won't fall, it won't lose. And the special thing about these pins, well, it's 2 times insulated. So we have here the red, you can see that is also insulated, the red thing, and the metal from this side is also coated. So when you have here, for example, aluminium coated insulation, you won't have contact between the metals, so that's the point of it. And of course, if you want, there are different sizes of those pins. So you have, like for example here, a small one, I have a bigger one. It all depends on how much insulation you use. So these are the pins, and I would say, okay, well, these pins are double insulated, only made by Rinke. That's one thing you have to know. Now, next thing is, so the stud welder device, the A is for the battery. So it has now 86% battery. And if I go here on the minus, this is the volt I can change. So it's now 68 volt. And if I go up, it grows. So it's very easy to use. Let's have a testing. So I'm gonna just try it. So I put here on the pin, and I have here already a dummy, like a piece of duct, will I say. I made it here by myself. It's just to demonstrate how it works. So I have here also a real original duct with already insulated, and there's also some demonstration pins on it, but I wanted to show it like this so you have a better vision of it. So let me have a try. So everything is connected. Okay, well, let's just have a start. So you can already press here, there's a small button here. So I can already press it, and then I'm just going to push it until this pin touches the metal. So let's try it. That's it. So here another one. Here another pin, close up, and that's it. So it's possible with one battery to shoot about 300 pins. So with 2 batteries you can shoot 600 pins. And if you need, for example, 6 pins on 1 square meter, that means with 2 batteries you can shoot about 100 square meter. That's it. So here you can see I'm holding the pins, so it's really good, and you can see nothing from the inside. So I'm gonna bring here the metal here, so you see no burnings or anything else. I hope you can see it on the video. Well, that is really an amazing device, I have to say, because it doesn't matter where you go. The only thing what you need is 2 batteries and a Makita charger, and that's it. So the device is not need to plug in some power connector. Well, that was it. Of course, when you buy this device, well, this is a nice suitcase comes with it. So this is here the suitcase, and it's foam filled. Everything can get here. The whole device comes with the suitcase, with the charger and 2 batteries, and we have here also a metal brush for cleaning the pistol. So everything is there. The only thing what you need to find is the job where to use it. Now, there's also a special pistol. I have also a special pistol that is, you have to order it extra for it. So that comes with the device, and it's the mini welding gun. Well, that's the mini welding gun that's really small. Well, for example, if you have something you can get, because this welding gun is too big. Yeah? So I give you an example here. So we have here a small place in between, and now there's insulation, and I cannot put here in, for example, like this. And now I have here, need something, and my gun can get there. So that's why the mini gun is there. And you can here then put here the pin in and place it. So I'm gonna change those cables just to demonstrate it. So I'm gonna put out the device and then change the cables. Okay, well, everything is set on. So what I'm going to do next, I'm gonna put here the pin. And of course, if it is small here, so I'm just gonna turn it just to show it. And that's it. So what I want to say is this is really a good, perfect device if you're doing, especially when you're doing duct work. I will recommend to have one, but that is, you have to decide by yourself. I hope this video will work and let you decide if you want to have one. And if you want to have more information, you just go on the website of rinke.com. But of course, in the video description, there's also a link directly to Rinke, where you can also see other tools for the installation. Everything you need is there. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget thumb up, and see you next time.